What's going on, guys? This is G. Welcome to the G's Bird Room. Glad to have you guys like always. So today I woke up, yesterday I started washing a whole bunch of drinkers, feeders, a whole bunch in there, like literally a bunch. So I'm gonna take little by little, take like a bucket full in the house, bleach everything. This is the part where I say it's not that much enjoyable. They're preparing for the breeding season, always coming up. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna hang them, let them air dry over here, hang them up here. I have like probably 20 more cages. I had them all over there, guys. So rain, everything got a hold of it. So now I gotta clean it all up. I forgot some food in some cups, and boy, do they smell. Oh, whoa. But it's part of the game, I guess, right? My little cages, bigger ones. These have a divider. So those are pretty nice. Like the black ones, these are, I think they're 30 inches by 16 by 18, if I'm not mistaken, or 16 by 16. I forgot. These are nice, but there's no dividers in them, and they do take a lot of space. So I started yesterday, and I put grass mass finch in here. I'm gonna start pairing them up. And on this side will be societies, foster parents. And I'm just gonna put a few cages in here, probably 4 or 5, nothing big, nothing big. So everything's coming along great. Just gotta get ready for the breeding season. The birds are all molted out. Most of them already molted. So I'm gonna pick up a few canaries. I wanna try the canaries again. I gotta pick up a few species. The cherry, is it a cherry finch? I believe so. There's probably 5 more species I would like to add into the collection. I have a culture of birds. So before, guys, on my other videos, you'll see this was all cages. But then I'll have like a whole bunch of birds in this cage, and I didn't think that was very good to put, a bunch of birds in a cage for the long periods of time, because I didn't have no flight cages, like big flight cages where I can just throw them in so they can have fun and molt out and just do their thing, exercise. So in here I throw the babies in there and let them molt out beautifully, you know. They can fly, they can exercise, they can get into things. They can always take a bath. Always, every single day. That floor will never dry up. It dries up when I put the fan to it. But as soon as I put fresh water, they're at it again. So, it is what it is. We got Goulian baby in here. Charcoal zebra finch baby in here. We got regular societies in there. We got two Goulians, yellow and a green in here. They're already out of the nest. There they are. We got two societies in here. We got Goulian eggs. We're prepping these guys back again for more Goulian eggs. I got some eggs over there. So I'll be moving them over soon. And that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, the bird room right now is not that noisy, it's quiet. Noisy meaning in breeding and all that activities. So, but I'm getting started, you know. It's July, August, September. It's all coming up. It's all coming up. And I gotta get these cages all cleaned up, prepped up, ready to rock and roll, baby. Ready for rock and rolling. Well guys, hope you guys enjoyed this little video. This is the part where a lot of us don't see new bird guys coming into the sport. This is what it is, you know. You guys don't really see stuff like this, but today you have. When you think twice before getting into finches, really think twice. Sometimes most of us, you know, get overexcited and we want to get into the colorful Goulians and parrot finches and firetails. And finches are delicate, you know, delicate stuff. They're very fragile. They're not like a zebra finch, you know, stuff like that. Of that nature. Owl finches are you know, they're hardy birds. You can have our owl finches. They're hardy. You know, a lot of birds can be hardy if you do it with them since baby. You know, they flee the nest. You know, you can make them the way you want to make them. But a lot of people, they want to come and they want to buy Goulians and they throw them in a cage and they throw the AC on in their house in the middle of summer and the bird's right next to the AC and the bird dies. And then they'd be like, what did I do wrong? They wouldn't have a clue, you know. So, tropical birds, they belong in hot room temperature, you know, like 80, 75, 70, 72, 70, anywhere between 70 to 80 degrees, you know. And a lot of us, we buy a couple finches and put it in the living room and the AC is on 24/7 and the bird is dead before you even know it, you know. You wasted all that money. And if it's your fault, ain't nobody reimbursing nothing to you. So I mean, let's see the mess. We gotta clean everything today. It gets messy. It really gets messy. All this is gonna have to come out of here so I can put my cages. These are all pigeon carriers, you know, so. They're very vocal today. But that's it, guys. Just remember, do your homework before buying anything. Anything. A fish, lizard, anything. Do the homework. See what it needs. You know, see if you're gonna have the time for it. And that's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I got a bunch of eggs inside the flank pen over there. So I gotta transfer eggs over. And hopefully everybody's having a good Monday. And I will see you guys later. Like, subscribe, share, comment down below what you guys think. And I'll get back to you guys' comment. 99%, I always do. I try my best. Shout out to all my subscribers. The new ones, the older ones, the day ones. Shout out to all of you guys. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys. Bye-bye now.